Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Zerion wallet connection using MetaMask, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Zerion website. On the Zerion homepage, locate the Connect Wallet button. Click on the Connect Wallet button. You will see a list of wallet options. Select MetaMask from the list. If you don't have MetaMask installed, you'll need to download it from the official MetaMask website. Once installed, click on the MetaMask extension in your browser. Set up your MetaMask wallet if you haven't already done so. After setting up, ensure that you're logged into your MetaMask wallet. Return to the Zerion interface. Click on the Connect Wallet button again and select MetaMask. A MetaMask pop-up will appear, asking you to connect to Zerion. Review the permissions requested by Zerion. If everything looks good, click on the Next button in the MetaMask pop-up. Then, click on the Connect button to establish the connection. You should now see your wallet address displayed on the Zerion dashboard. Explore the features available on Zerion with your MetaMask wallet connected. You can now begin using Zerion to manage your assets effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.